Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing an installation video for Dazuma's custom 21 curved LED 3-step dimmable wall sconce. The package includes one small accessory pack, one instruction manual, and one main unit. First, remove the screws from the top of the product and set them aside safely. Remove the two mounting screws from the bottom of the product and set them aside. Then, remove the metal mounting plate. Place the product's mounting plate at the location where you intend to install the product. Next, place the main unit of the product where you intend to install it, and mark the position on the surface above it. Drilling holes with an electric drill. Drive the dowel sleeves into the 3 holes you just drilled. Install the product's mounting plate using the 2 mountings, screws included in the accessory kit. Assemble the screw caps you removed earlier with the mounting screws from the small parts kit. Then use an electric drill to install them into the holes at the top. Connect the product's power cord to the power supply cable you provided. Position the main unit correctly, then reinstall the 2 mountings, screws at the rear that you removed earlier. Connect the upper part of the product to the mounting bracket. It is driven into the hole with a hammer, then rotated to tighten and secure it. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.